excited to share this home with you today. It's in Breman, Georgia, and it is going to be a gorgeous presentation. And come along with me and let me show you the gorgeousness inside and outside. Okay, I'm going to take you into the pool house. I wanted to show you all the gorgeous flowers out here. We go inside and the brickwork, so pretty. So this is their pool house. The flooring here is an LVP. It's a grayish color. You go up the stairs. To a little landing. And then the LVP is all throughout the main level here. They have like a separate kitchen area, another washer and dryer, a living space, a little sitting area, and a little table. Then in the bathroom here is the LVP continued. And then there's a 3x9 tile from floor to ceiling on the back wall. Super pretty. So let's go down to look at the pool next. Okay, so I'm gonna take you along backside here. They're just moving in, so they still have a little bit of construction going on, but look how gorgeous. I love all of the colors and their flower beds. And then they have an outside shower. Then you have some pretty color going on here with this beautiful oasis in the back. Then you have a jacuzzi tub back here. Then you have a sitting area here, and then an outdoor grilling area with a TV. So gorgeous. So let's go back around front and let me show you the front profile. It is breathtaking. I'm going to take you inside, and the main floor is an engineered light oak white plank floor. It's throughout most of the home. I'm going to go right to the guest bedroom here. And the bathroom back here. This is the floor. Really pretty. It looks really nice with all the furniture that she chose. And then the guest bathroom. The 12x24 tile on a brick pattern on the main bathroom floor, and then 3x11 on a stack pattern, and the shower with a pity towel on the bottom. And then you have the brick pattern 12x24 that's on the main floor along the back wall right here with black fixtures. And they have a little shower nook right there. Super nice and large, floor to ceiling. This is the guest bathroom. I'll take you along through some of the rest of the house. You've got the living area here, staircasing. Kitchen area, sitting area. And you have a brick-like tile and the mudroom along, and this is on a herringbone pattern, and then it's also in the guest bathroom. I love all the color patterns that she chose, all the details. I love how this transitions. All right, let me take you back here to the master bathroom and bedroom. Look how nice this is. They have their own little coffee station and fridge as you go into the master bedroom. I love this rug that she chose. It's so gorgeous. Just slight hints of color and then very neutral. And then the master bathroom is a super large tile on a brick pattern. It looks like it's a 12 by 36. And then there's a stone pebble on the main floor with a brick pattern on the main shower wall from floor to ceiling. And then it let's see, I can go in here. Yeah, there's a little shower nook there. She did chrome finishing in this bathroom. And then along the back wall, they did a herringbone pattern with a black tile. So pretty. And then the master closet's back here with the engineered flooring on the main floor. Now I'm gonna take you upstairs. Okay, let's go upstairs to the second level now. So this is the laundry room upstairs. It's a really pretty tile here on the bottom. The blue cabinets. We have a fridge up here. With washer and dryer. Transitions well off of the engineered floor. Pretty rug here and the little desk area. The engineered is throughout the main level here, upstairs as well. It's the hallway. We come to our first bedroom. They just moved in, so there is a little bit of boxes and stuff, but I just wanted to show you how gorgeous this tile is on the floor. It is a 12 by 24 with some gold accents with some blue on the main bathroom wall from floor to ceiling. Ties in so nicely, transitions well. And this is the bathroom here, or the little girl's bedroom here. Then we come across the hallway to another bedroom. And then you have a Jack and Jill with a 12 by 24 on a brick pattern, grayish color tile with a stack tile on the main wall. It's like a grayish, like textured looking tile. With black hardware. And then back here is like the, maybe like a playroom for the kids, sitting area with a small bathroom here, engineered for, just goes into this bathroom here. And then we transition into the last bedroom here. We have a black tile on the main floor with a stack tile floor to ceiling along the back wall with black hardware. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and hope you have a lovely afternoon.